A woman was rescued from Dharmanagar railway station with serious injuries by the firefighters. The injured woman has been identified as Jyotsna Devarma, aged 44 years old, a resident of Anandabazar area. She fell while boarding a train at Dharmanagar railway station.
Firefighters rescued an injured woman and took her to Dharmanagar District Hospital. Currently, the injured woman is undergoing treatment at Dharmanagar District Hospital. An official of Dharmanagar Fire Brigade said that they received information that a woman was lying injured at Dharmanagar railway station. Accordingly, they rushed to Dharmanagar railway station and rescued the injured woman and took her to Dharmanagar District Hospital.
অফিসে একটা ফোন আয় রেল স্টেশনে একজন লোক রেল থেকে পড়ে গেছে আমরা যাই গিয়ে তাই এখান থেকে রিকভারি করে পরে এনে হসপিটাল অ্যাডমিট করে নাম নিয়ে জ্যোৎস্না দেববর্মা বয়স 42 আনন্দবাজার বাটা।
আচ্ছা কোন রেল থেকে?
রেলটা তো
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.